Before we get started optimizing your book's listing for Amazon, we have to understand how Amazon ranks and shows books in search results. And it all comes down to their A9 algorithm. Now, this is essentially very similar to how Google has an algorithm for ranking pages in their search results, but Amazon has some key differences that we're going to walk through. First of all, just like Google, Amazon prioritizes keywords. When someone searches for a specific keyword, Amazon is looking for that keyword in a book's title, subtitle, description, and even back-end keywords. And we're going to talk about all those in this course. One thing that starts to make Amazon different from Google is that they also look at sales in terms of overall sales and also something that they call sales velocity. And what that means is how quickly your books are selling on Amazon. If you have a book that's selling really quickly, they start to see that this is a popular book that's gaining traction, and it's likely going to start ranking higher in search results. And the final thing that they look at is ratings and reviews. So it's pretty obvious that Amazon is going to give priority to books that have more positive reviews in the rankings and give less priority and move down in the rankings books that have more negative reviews. Now, books that have very few reviews are not going to stack up as well as books that have many positive reviews, but it is certainly possible to get a brand new book ranking really well if you follow the things that we've outlined in this course.